journal. So this is the overall project, and here we go. Okay, I'm back, and we're going to be making these. So this is the overall look of them that we made earlier in the year. So to start off, you're going to have to fold a paper bag in half with the flap side on the inside. So you'll want to crease that so it fits in a hole punch when you do it. And to get the punches or the holes, you can use a 3-hole punch or you can use a hand puncher. So I have mine pre-punched. So to start, you're going to want to match the holes together. And we have ribbon, and it doesn't matter how long, you just want to be able to tie it like in a little knot there. And you're going to, I fold mine in half so I can fit them through. So that's what I'll do. Stick it through both holes. And then I usually match it at the top so they're even. And you want to make sure both the sides are even on both holes. And you're going to want to tie a knot. And you can move it wherever you want. I put mine on the edge of it so it stays together. I usually also do a second knot to make sure it does not come out. And you can repeat that on your other holes. So you fold it, stick it through, match up the two edges a little bit. No, it doesn't have to be perfect. And then tie it. These can be used as journals to keep track of maybe this Corona thing, or you can make a scrapbook of your life and other things like that. I've started a Corona journal, I guess. So, there it is. Hi, I'm back, and now we get to do the fun part of making scrapbooks, and we get to decorate. So I have some fun scissors for designs, I have colored paper, I have pens and some washi tape with me, so I can make this look more epic and fun. So you can use scrap paper and kind of match the size of your scrapbook so you can make it look cool on the front. And so you can glue these down, you can cut them out in shapes and sizes for different activities. So I'm going to make the edges look cool on this one, and I'm going to cut this around. You can always write on the front of it, you can color, you can draw on it, you can leave it blank if you want to. Whatever you want to do to it. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this down. Later on, I'll probably get this to stick better, but for the fast of it, I can just leave it at that. So you can use washi tape, you can decorate the sides, but another fun thing I like to do is I stick pictures in the little slots in the paper bags to keep memories, or you can use like note cards to keep little notes in. Some other fun thing I do is I attach cool colored paper, like a little slip, so you see there's something in there when you're grown up or something, you can pull it out, something like that. Or I've stuck fun, just little things in there, maybe a bracelet that you would want someone to find later on, stuff like that. So There's your paper bag.